Hi my little friends. Thank you for following my series of step-by-step learning to read phonetically. We have seen how the alphabet sounds. We have seen what are CV blends or consonant and vowel blends. We also saw what are CVC blends, consonant vowel consonant blends with the short vowel sounds. Then we went on to see what are two consonant blends in the beginning of the words and in the end of the words, like brag or cliff. But as you can see, in these blends of two different consonants, we could hear both the consonants separately, like br, br. But now we are going to learn something interesting. We are going to see what are digraphs and diphthongs. So there are three different types of blends. One is two consonant blends or double consonant blend, in which we can hear both the consonants distinctly. What is a digraph? When we join two consonants and it creates a separate, different single sound, it is called a digraph. For example, ch. When we combine a C and an H, we don't hear kh. Instead, the sound becomes ch, which is very different from a kh or a h. This is called a digraph. What are the different digraphs? Ch, sh, th, v, ng, nk. In the coming lessons, we will see each digraph in detail. Then what is a diphthong? Just like in digraph, we have two consonants making a single sound. In diphthongs, we have two vowels making a different sound. So when two different vowels make a single syllable or a single sound, it is called diphthong. For example, when O and I make a new sound, oi, like in boil. We will also see diphthongs in detail in further lessons. I hope you understand the difference between two consonant blends, double consonant blends, digraphs and diphthongs. In the coming lesson, we will see the first digraph, that is ch. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Thanks for watching.